Assalamu alaikum. Me and my teammates Shakal Sharkar and Maliha Zaman built a Django project for software engineering lab and software testing. So this project is basically artificial intelligence integrated customer relationship management system. This AI CRM, what actually does is it manages the relationship between a customer and an organization. So we have different kinds of leads in an organization, the people who are interested in investing in our business or organization. This software actually helps them to manages those interested person and convert them into a valuable asset for the organization. So let's get into the project. So this project was developed by Django framework. So our most primary app is the Django CRM, the DJ CRM. So we have different kinds of Python files here. The first Python is urls.py. These here all kinds of URLs are handled. So there are 2 to 4 entities in our project: the agents, the leads, and the organizer, and the topmost is the site administration. So the site administration and organizer both are can be defined through the Django admin panel. But I have created separate apps for their. There's a agents app and there's a leads app for each one of them. The agents through the agents app, I have handled all the agents related stuffs here. So from the templates and to the specific agent related URLs are also handled from here. So and from the leads app, the same was done as the agents. The templates are all handled here. This is a lead create template extended from the base template, and the URLs here and the models from here. So these are all handled individually in their own app, and the static files were kept aside in a specific static project. And the general templates such as the base.html, landing page, or navigation bar, and the basic JavaScripts were handled outside of the project app. And the search engines use were database.sqlite. So if I see the servers are running, let's head on to the project. So this is the first look. We have the top navigation bar here. Let's log in to get started. I will be logging in as and site administration. That is, and since I'm not an organizer, so I'll not be able to see anything from here. Those kinds of contingencies are handled, those restricted for each agents, each organizer. There will be different kinds of setup in the landing page and home screen. So what I'll move on to the is the admin Django administration. So since I'm the site administration, so I can see this Django administration only me. So we have the agents, categories, leads, user profiles, and users. To the users, we have the database is populated with numerous data. So that's it. The next section will be presented by Shakal Sharkar. Thank you.
So now we're going to create an organization ID. For that, I'm going to click on login to get started. Here, as I don't have any ID, so let's click on don't have an ID. Here we will give our organization name. Then our password. And then simply just sign up. Our organization account was created, and now we can just log in. So at the first page we are going to see leads categories, where there is no leads and leads count as 0. So now we have to create a new leads. Shakal Shorker will talk about more. We'll talk more about this. So thank you.
Thank you. Hello everyone. Now here is our organization. Now I want to create a leads on this organization. For this, create new leads, and first name should be test 01, last name lead. Basically I put her name as test for this testing purpose, and it should be 35, and the none of agent description. This person is interest on hero BD, and his phone number I put here it email test 01 test on @demo.com. Successfully created. And for this organization we see that unassigned lead 1, and now I want to click on agent, and here I want to create a agent, and agent name test, email address test 9 @demo.com. Username should be Karim, 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 and first name Karim, and test 01 SZ for this testing purpose. And we want to create another agent. Your name email should be test 7, username Rahim, and first name Rahim, last name test 02 agent. Submit. We see here is one on list, and agent number 2, and now I want to assign this lead to an agent. Here is the assign an agent. For this I click here, an agent 1 2, that should be yes, submitted. Basically the leads only view the some things, and agent can update the leads only. And now this, from this part I ask fine to continue.
So I will continue this presentation from here, and the demonstration I will be showing you is the email sending, the forget password, and password reset. So let me log in as an organizer. So here's our organizer dashboard that I can see under my organization that these are the leads, and I have some of the agents here too. So let's say leads cannot log in into the system, so the agents will be able to log in. So let's create a new agent. Create an agent. Let's say demo. The username will be demo 07. Like demo, last name will be like user. Submit. So what I'm doing here is I'm not predefining a password for the agents. The agents will have the total independent to reset and set the password as their own. So I'm just creating an agent for my organization, and I will pass this only the email to the agent, and the agent will be able to log in on their own and reset the password. So I have said that I have created the user demo user for the new as a new agent. So I will switch to the agent mode and log into the system. So I'm logging out, log in as an agent. So I know the username, but I don't know the password. So what I'll do is I will just click on forgot password and at a reset the password. To reset the password, I have to enter the email. So the email I have registered with is demo@chaldal.com and reset the password. I have been sent an email. The email will be come here to the terminal. So I can see here is an email from I have configured email to send to the terminal. So this is the link I need to reset the password from. So I'll click on the link. So I'm redirected to new password reset setting. So I will set the password. Confirm password. Password reset is completed. I will click here to login. So I'm logged in as an agent since I have not been assigned any leads, so I can see any leads or assign or contact to them. So that's it. The next section will be presented by Shakal Sarkar. Thank you.
Thanks again. Now I want to present some organizational for this. I want to realistic organizational for this. I chose Sardal and we work some data on this and log in their panel. Here we see some leads and the organized agents. For this I click on agent and I want to we can here edit their information, their profile or edit their data. Here we overview here and here we can update and all their information or delete. I came to the leads point. Here I want to change a leads data. There I choose Nasima profiles and for this here we all can see the overview and the update information category also and the update information here is her name and I want to change his name THER last name and the change also her agent and I want to put it Akash to Abrar. Now here I submitted here and we can see Abrar. Now I want to go to the Abrar profile to view his hard data. For this we need to input Abrar information, username Abrar, APRAR, password, copy it and hit login. Now we see all the information of Nasima Akhtar and we can also edit here but they here and now I want to go back to our organization profile. For this logout and login and there is the Chaldal and take the password. Now from this our another team member will continue.
Now we'll categorize the leads. For that, from leads page we'll click edit and then click category, select a category. For him Saleh was positive response. Then we'll see if lead counts updated. For that, we'll click on view categories, and yes, it has been updated. So what if we assigned this category as negative category, one positive category and one negative category? Then what will happen? Let's see. So here is lead count 0. So what happened is one positive category can cut one negative category, so lead count will be 0. Thanks. Now my next team member will continue. Thank you.